Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Today I'll show you how to create mod meshes using Sketchware Pro. For this task, just create new project. Click the new project button and give the name of this app. For example, I want to give the name is test. Now click the create button. Here is your empty project. Just open the Java manager and import a class file which I am provided in my Telegram channel. Just import here and you can change some source from there. Just change the package name. Here you can change the actions when user click the button. There is two buttons. You also can add different types of buttons, images, text according to your message. Here is descriptions. You can edit from there. And save the project. Copy the class name and constructor name you should remember. You should remember also we add the extend dialog. You should use D8 and Java 11 version because we are using Lambda in our source code. Now add a source. At first just type the class name and give a variable name of this class. Use equal and use new. Just follow me. And here is your constructor name. Just call the dialog and save it. And build the project. Here you can see some error. In this error, let's fix it. I need to remove the binding code from my class file. You can see the class name and our binding keyword here. Just find it using search and replace or find and replace button. Just put an integer value here. This integer value define the button highest and width. According to your UI, you can fix it. For example, I want to put some value here. Now just run the program and you can see the button and the highest and width is very small and it cropped the text. Let's fix it. Just try different values according to your UI design. Run it again and install it. And test your design. I need to change it again. The highest should be adjusted according to my font size. Here you can see the buttons are fixed. It's working properly. Now time to use reverse engineering. Let's perform it. For this task, we need to install MT Manager. You also can use NP Manager and apktool and other decompiling and reverse engineering app. Just open the app and find the source which I recently built. Here you can see our main methods on create and on initialize. Here is our code. Just cut it and copy into your clipboard. Here is our class file of dialog. Just use the branch operation and export from your app. Select a path and paste. And our work is done. For injecting the library, you need to use any APK. For this case, I am using open source app Sketchware Pro. It is open source and free download. It's available in GitHub. For this reason, I using this application for modification or injecting the message. Just open it and here you can see the DEX file, which is smiley codes or Java compiled program here. Just find the extracted DEX file. I can't directly implement the DEX file here. Here you can see the 16 libraries are available. Now we need to add here. The number is 17 and just add. And decompile all the program. Use DX viewer and just find here a main activity or any target activity for your task to showcase the message. I want to use main activity for showcase the message. Just find main activity and find out main method from there, the onCreate. And here you need to paste. You can paste from anywhere. Just paste here. And our work is done. Now save it and compile all the projects and update it. Now you can delete the test project. Now install it and test the app. Is the message working properly or not? Now open it and you can see our message is properly worked. That's all guys. If you were interested like these types of knowledge, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.